I'll be using a milk crate. Actually, I think it's an avocado crate for my basket, but I mean, it fits, so cool. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, wait a minute, I didn't even start. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Here, I'll top up. I'm falling over. Let's take these out. They're all the same can. It's a Dr. B. It's an off-branded Dr. Pepper that my local grocery store makes. The rules did say you could use 2 hands, so I carried 2 cans in each hand. Okay, in America they don't have 330 cans, so I had to use a 355mm can, which is the standard size in America. Hope that's okay. My fridge is vertical. There's some Capri Suns. Alright, thank you.